Hey everyone, this is Ed from Tech Talk with a quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to open up the secret administrator account in Windows 10 and 11. And I'm also going to show you a little trick if you work in a business environment like I do and you have an elevated account, you may have to run it differently. But before I get started, please consider hitting that thumbs up if this helps you out. Alright, so if you're trying to open up the secret administrator account, you have to type in CMD. And then you must right click run as administrator. If you don't, it's not going to work for you. And then you're just going to type in net user administrator / active yes, and then hit enter, and then it should say command complete. If you want to close it back up, you go back in, you change the yes to no, and then you hit enter, and now the secret administrator is now locked again. Now, if this doesn't work for you, if you right click and this does not work for you, one, you can try to enter a blank password. Don't put anything in, because if you don't have a password for your secret your administrative account that you're logged into, then you won't need one. Now, I'm going to show you another way. So if you work in an industry like I do, instead of right clicking and click on run as administrator, we're going to go to open file location, and then here you're going to hold the shift key down and you're going to right click on it, and then you're going to run as a different user. Now, if you have a different user account on your computer, go ahead and type the user and the password in, and then click OK, and then you're going to do the same thing I did in the beginning. You're going to do the net user administrator / active yes, and I'll have that down in the description for you so that way you don't have to memorize it. But hey, if this helps you out, please consider hitting like, subscribe, and share. Alright, thanks a lot. Have a happy holiday.